got a body like an elbow brush, but I can give it to you all the time. She got a booty like a Cadillac, but I can send you.
Let me turn this thing on. Is this working? I think so. I'm assuming this thing's working. Okay, let's do this. Hello, YouTube. If you're wondering where Ryan is today, I killed him. Yes, he's dead. Now, this is a little quick video to let you guys know, and then, because I've taken over his channel, but from now on, if you like the videos, don't leave a like, because if you leave a like, I'm going to assume it's actually a dislike. But from now on, if you like this video, definitely feel free to unsubscribe and leave a dislike. Thank you. If you don't like this video, then leave a like and still stay subscribed. I don't think I've got much more to say. Apart from, I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. And I hope you all have a very Happy New Year. Please comment below. What do you think my New Year's resolutions are going to be? And just to let you guys know, that's right, you there watching this video, why did you subscribe to this idiot in the first place? Are you okay in the brain? Because if you are, you better act like it. I'm sorry for smiling. I'm in a very happy mood. Because finally, my stupid little twin is dead. If my mom and dad find out about this guy, then this might be the last video I make. Yeah, you figured it out. Thank you. Anyway, I hope to see you guys next time. But I gotta go, so I don't think Ryan's going to, come back alive or respawn or whatever. But I gotta go, so I'll see you later. Don't forget, if you liked the video, leave a dislike. And if you really liked it, then don't subscribe. See you later, guys. Peace. What the heck? It's recording. Is this? Hello? Oh no. Brian! Brian!